Hi, and welcome to the Simple Logistics channel. So today we are going to talk about what's being called the logistics challenge of the century. The logistics challenge of the century is the production and distribution of the COVID-19 vaccines worldwide. So let me share some facts that I gathered on the news and in specialized news outlets with you. So the first challenge of the vaccines will be the production in quantity of these vaccines. The vaccine supply chain will be pushed to the limit. The first bottleneck that we expect is the production of these glass vials. There is a small number of makers that make these glass vials. They are not made of a simple glass, the common glass. They are made of a special type of glass that will not contaminate the vaccine. So it's not easy to fabricate this kind of package. The thing is, most vaccines that are undergoing trial will need through 2 or 3 doses to be effective. So you have 7.8 billion people living on Earth right now, and all these people will need 2 or 3 doses of vaccine. So the number of glass vials is just huge. It's almost unthinkable. So although these companies are ramping up their production, increasing their production capability, they'll probably not have enough glass vials for all the doses necessary. So another solution that people are looking at is to have several doses in only one vial, and these will be fractioned at the point of application. So this is the first bottleneck for the vaccine. The supply chain itself is not ready to produce this quantity at one time. The other limit or the other constraint is transportation. So IATA, which is the International Air Transport Association, has calculated that it will be necessary 8,000, travels with Boeing 747 cargo jet to transport all this quantity of vaccines from where they are produced to where they are necessary. And why we are going to use air transportation? Because first, these vaccines are, of course, top priority. They are the most necessary thing right now for most countries to resume normal life. And these vaccines, they have to be kept at a very low temperature. We are going to talk more about it, but the best way to do that is to deliver them really fast from the manufacturing plant to their end destination. This is the schematic of the Boeing 747. It's probably one of the biggest cargo planes out there, together with the Antonov 124, Antonov 225. These are the beast of cargo transport that we have available right now. But the problem, we have only a little bit more than 500 aircraft in service of this type. So each aircraft, if it's used exclusively this type of aircraft to deliver the vaccines, we are going to need each aircraft to make 16 travels. It's really a lot. So, of course, not all vaccine doses will be ready at the same time. So they will be ready in a period of weeks, months, probably a year. So there will be enough time to distribute them by air, but it will be a challenge. Probably it will use most of the cargo transportation capacity that we have today with these kind of aircraft. And the other thing is most of the vaccines that are undergoing trials right now, they require to be kept at a very low temperature, really, really low temperatures. So you guys are going to see out there a lot of ice chests like this, especially a special package with carbon dioxide ice to maintain the temperature of these vaccines. And it will be a challenge, especially in faraway locations and in developing countries. It will be really a challenge to keep these vaccines at the low temperatures that they are requiring right now. Our best chance is that some vaccines are developed that are more stable and that they can withstand near environment temperatures. This is the best chance that we have. If we really need to transport some of these vaccines, they are talking about minus 70 Celsius degrees, really, really low temperature. It will be a really big challenge to deliver all these vaccines within their temperature range. But if it's necessary, that's what we'll do. And it will be expensive for most countries. It will require a lot of coordination, but it can be done. So that was what I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you for following the channel, and keep coming back. We'll have more videos every week, twice a week for you. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.